Happy Friday. I am at Walgreens today, guys. I am going to participate in the beauty deal or the beauty event. It started yesterday. I did go out yesterday and I did get some items. I may show them all to you, but I did pick up the Colgate, the Crest deal, and when I purchased those items, I got a $10 register reward. So watch it with the Crest deal, guys, because the $3 register reward did not print for me. So I have to get points, but make sure you're picking up the ones that say $3.99, okay? To not register reward, $10 coupon for my next purchase on any Almay or Revlon product. So when I buy two, it's going to give me $10 off. So I am going to use that today along with a gift card that I got for spending for buying 6 of the P&G products. There was a rebate going on a while ago. And here it is right here, $10. So it's a $10 gift card. $10 can go a long way. And then here is the $10 off your to purchase. I know this was randomly printing for everyone, so I don't know if it's just the Crest or the Colgate deal you get it for or what, but this is what I plan to use today on purchasing a few items. All right, we are about to go in and figure out what we want to get today. I do know I want some Dixie plates. I do want to do maybe an ibotta trip with the Jergens lotion again. But that's all. All right, I'm about to go in and see what I'm going to pick up. Got some good clearance. I think the coupons for those are just $1 off. I love these right here. These are really good, but they don't have the glossy ones. I'm not getting that today, but right. Just showing you guys the clearance. Let's see, what else was I picking up? Almay and Maybelline lipstick. Let's see. This is L'Oreal, Maybelline. Trying to keep the video short, guys. So here's what I picked up. Okay, it's voiceover time. The music was loud. So here I was showing you that's my beauty deal back there. It's small, but it's mighty. And here's my coupons. I keep my coupons in this little binder here. I was just trying to show you what I was getting. So here's the $10 off of 2 purchase right here. Then I was going to go ahead and show you guys, I printed those from coupons.com for the Maybelline. Used 2 of those because I picked up 2. And the laundry soap is $6.99. And if you buy 1, you get 2 free. And then with the waters, they are 2 for $4. And then I had 2 50-cent coupons right there, guys, as well. Okay, and then we have where I was going to just show you all that I picked up 4 plates. And I used 2 paper coupons from the 11-17 Retail Me Not. It's $1 off of 2. All right, I'm about to go check out now. Okay, here is the receipt for transaction 1 from my Walgreens trip today, guys. I did great, and I really enjoyed the beauty event this time around. Here is my receipt. Here's everything I picked up. This was on clearance for $4.19, and the color is Worldwide Red. I thought it was very cute. There's a $3 off digital coupon. And then I picked up 2 of the lips. This one's is Be Strong. And this one is called Love Yourself. I actually like these. These are pretty good. And then I used printable coupons from coupons.com for these. And I picked up Pink Fetish and Chocolate Lust. And here's the receipt. As you can see, buy one, get one 50% off for both lip products. And then there's the, he had the price adjusted because it wasn't coming up right. So it's $4.19. There's the 2 lipsticks from coupons.com, the printable coupons I showed you. There is the $10 off of 2 Almay products that printed for me yesterday. It's just a random thing that printed, so I used that $10 coupon. And then here I had a $3 off of 1 Miracle Gel, Sally Hansen. My total was $11.15. I used my $10 gift card I received in the mail yesterday from the P&G deal from last month or the month before. And I only paid, guys, $1.81. And I got back a total of 12,000 points. So I hit beauty, I believe. Yeah, I hit beauty. And then I got the 7,000 points for spending $25 in the store as well. So I had a very good trip this time. And here are the products for this. And for this receipt, and sorry I didn't show you in the beginning. So here are the cups. These are included on the $3.99, buy one, get one free. And then of course I picked up 4 of the plates. So I am so happy right now. So I got the 4 plates. And then moving on here, there's the Arm & Hammer. This week they're buy one. Oops, let me zoom in. They're buy one, get 2 free. And then the waters are 2 for $4 this week, 2 for $4. So I had 50 cents off of 1 coupons. I'm gonna have to find where I found those at and put them in there. And Ibotta has a rebate for the sports cap. So it has to be the ones with the cap on it, okay, guys? And so let's get into the total here. There's the waters there. See, 2 for $4. I had 2 paper coupons for the Dixie plates. So they're $1 off of 2 coupons, as you've seen in my video. 2 paper coupons that I have for the water. And then there was a digital coupon for the cups on there as well. I wanted to just use points because over the last couple of days, I've accumulated at least an extra $20 from the beauty deals that I did and from the Colgate. Well, not the Colgate, but from the beauty deal from yesterday. I rolled those Reddish rewards from my Crest and my Colgate into the beauty transaction yesterday. So I'm just showing you guys today what I picked up as well. Now, with that being said, here's my total. $18 after coupons. And then the total was exactly $20, guys. I was like, what? So yeah, this deal here was not one where you're gonna get points back at all. So these are just things I was kind of just waiting to shop at Walgreens this week until this, today or yesterday, Thursday, because they had the beauty event and I knew I could get some points to kind of buy the things I wanted to get. So yeah, this was my Walgreens haul for this week. Hopefully you guys can get out and get you some as well. Also made a trip to Dollar General that I will be posting. I'll post what I picked up as well. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what all you're getting this week for the beauty event. One extra thing here too, you guys can do. So I didn't notice this was in my cart until afterwards. But somebody dropped this, or they left it in their cart with their receipt. So yeah, I got this for next week, which is great. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good rest of your weekend.